Hey everyone, I'm Erica and welcome back to the channel. If you're a runner or triathlete chasing that next PR but hate watches that die mid-workout or lack the insights to optimize your training, then gear up because today we're diving into a wrist-worn coach that's redefining endurance tech. I'm talking about the Garmin Forerunner 570. This advanced GPS smartwatch packs a vibrant AMOLED display, personalized training plans, and battery life that lasts up to 11 days in smartwatch mode or 18 hours in GPS. Grab it on Amazon right now through the link in the description and trust me, it's going to make your runs smarter, your recovery better, and your races stronger without missing a beat. Let's break it down and see why this watch is leading the pack in 2025. First, the feature breakdown on the Garmin Forerunner 570. This isn't your basic running watch. It's Garmin's advanced triathlon smartwatch, designed for endurance athletes with a 47mm case that's lightweight and comfortable, featuring an aluminium bezel in indigo with a translucent imperial purple and indigo band for a stylish look. The standout is the bright 1.4-inch AMOLED touchscreen display with always-on mode, showing vibrant stats, maps, and notifications at a glance, even in sunlight. It has multi-band GPS for accurate tracking during runs, swims, or bikes, and over 30 built-in activity profiles, including running, triathlon, cycling, and open water swimming. For training, it offers personalized Garmin coach plans that adapt to your performance and recovery, training readiness score based on sleep, recovery, training load, and HRV status, and training status insights using HRV, exercise history, and VO2 max. Daily suggested workouts keep you on track, and morning and evening reports provide overviews of sleep, recovery, training outlook, HRV status, and weather. Health monitoring includes wrist-based heart rate, pulse ox for oxygen saturation, sleep tracking with stages and score, stress monitoring, and body battery for energy levels. It has a built-in microphone and speaker for phone calls and voice assistance, music storage for offline playback, Garmin Pay for contactless payments, and smart notifications for texts and apps. The button and touchscreen interface is intuitive, with customizable data fields, and it's compatible with Garmin Connect app for detailed analysis and community challenges. Setup is easy. Charge it, pair to your phone via Bluetooth, customize your profiles, and you're ready to go. Priced around $525, it's a premium investment with pro-level features that justify the cost for dedicated athletes. Versatility is huge. Track runs with pace alerts, navigate routes with maps, monitor health with sleep insights, or use it every day with weather and calendar. The battery life is key for long races, and the AMOLED makes viewing easy in any light. Now, pros and cons to keep it real. Pros are enormous. The adaptive training plans and readiness score help optimize workouts. The AMOLED display is sharp and vibrant for data at a glance. Long battery life means less charging during training weeks. And users love the accurate GPS that holds in urban or forested areas. The speaker and mic add convenience for calls, music keeps you motivated, and Garmin Pay is handy for runs without your wallet. It's versatile for triathlons, the app is robust for insights, and the build feels premium. But no watch is perfect. The main con is the price. At $525, it's expensive for beginners. The 47mm size might feel large on smaller wrists. Some note the touchscreen can be finicky with sweat, and while feature-packed, it has a learning curve. Overall, pros dominate for serious runners and triathletes. My recommendation? Absolutely, go for the Garmin Forerunner 570 if you want advanced insights and a long battery for endurance sports. The pros like personalized plans, accurate tracking, and battery life make total sense for runners, triathletes, or anyone serious about fitness. It's not just a watch, it's your personal coach for better performance. Before we wrap, if these reviews track your interest, hit subscribe for more gear tips. Click that affiliate link in the description. It supports the channel and gets you the deal. Finally, use the link below for the best pricing, including special promotional pricing from Rick's Review Hub. Thanks a ton for watching. If this helped, like it, share with friends, or subscribe for more. See you next time.